Hey everybody, so I'm working on my own Skoolie bus project, and I've noticed that not everybody has the same feet slash bolts and screws holding down their seats. And on the search of trying to figure out how to get mine off, I can't really find any videos on it. And I noticed that some of these, they're hard to get to because, you got your tank in the way, you got the wheel bay in the way, and all sorts of things. And we all know these suckers are a hassle because you got this hex at the top and you got a bolt at the bottom, and you gotta undo them at the same time. You have to unthread them at the same time from top and bottom, so it's a two-person job. So, with that being said, with certain things in the way, and you can't do it with some of them, how do you get these suckers off? I tell you how. You grind these suckers off, because there's no other way. There's no other way, especially if you have an older bus and they're kind of embedded, you got a little bit of rust, or you just got a lot of dirt and grime. You gotta get down, let these sparks fly, and you gotta grind these suckers down. And then you gotta poke them through, and then slide the disc away. See, this is one where we can reach one of them from top and bottom, and then the other one was hard to get to. This one could not get to, so we had to grind these suckers off. So let's get to grinding. And once you get to start to see the little circle where the threads would start to be for the actual, screw, the hex bolt, that's when you know you're almost there. You're getting close. So I'm going to grind just a little bit more so I can definitely poke this sucker through. Look at that. Now you can pretty much see this plate, which means she's ready to be poked through. So you're gonna want to take one of your old screws that you're able to get out by, manually taking out, and you're gonna need one of these suckers because that's how you hammer stuff through. Sometimes it takes a bit. These suckers are really, really in there,
You can pop that one. This one's a little further.
But this one should be ready. Oh, man. Some of them aren't always gonna pop through though. Not at first go. Sometimes you gotta grind a little bit more. So let's give this one a good old another grind. ready now. There we go. In the hole. That's how you get these suckers out. Thank you, and stay tuned for more Skoolie bus conversions.